Hey everyone, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades. I want to thank you for watching our trade of the week, and it's a great one. Our final trade of this week was Revise University of Michigan. It was a trap trade, and we've been struggling all week with difficult trap trades. If you remember by watching previous videos, with a trap trade, we put two orders above price, two orders below price, and if the price goes up, we sell. If the price goes down, we buy. We make our money when the market reverses. Well, we did not get good reverses all week long. We struggled. You could see that this trade gets filled long because it goes down. A trap trade fills you in the opposite way. It goes long. We're waiting for a reversal. It just barely takes place here. Not enough time to even get out with a profit. I'm watching price. Now, the funny thing is, everyone, this is not the trade of the week. This is the pre-trade of the week. Not the previous, but the pre-trade of the week. Now, I thought for sure this trade was going to fail and it was going to hit my stop. The price just refused to reverse. There it goes. It looks like it's going to kill us in the room. Very upset. I didn't want to finish my room on a losing trade. I had my target. I had combined my orders getting ready for a bad trade so I could get out. It almost stopped me out. It missed by 2 ticks and gold changed direction. Not anything huge, but it changed. It went all the way back up, hit my target for a small profit of $120. But that's not my trade of the week. Excuse me. What's fantastic is we love the magnet trade. And something incredible happened after the news trade. A couple of things to notice on the chart. Gold is negative. See that number, negative 76? Gold is 76 ticks negative since 6 p.m. last night. Also, gold's been pushing down. This red dotted line is the low of the day. A magnet trade is when a certain level, such as a low of the day, pulls price into it and you trade that move. That's a magnet trade. After the news, I noticed all those things that I'm pointing out to you now. Don't forget, you can lose money trading futures. So I turned on the magnet trade software in our strategy. It's a new strategy, an extra new strategy called the magnet trade. Real easy to set up. It took me about 30 seconds to set up the trade. I saw that gold was moving down. This heavy line is going to be my fill. I'm going to go short for a test of the low of the day. It was after the news, maybe about 15 minutes after the news. We stayed in the room to watch it. There's my fill. Now I move my stop out of the way. I want to give a magnet trade room to work. I believe absolutely unequivocally this is going to test that low. It's almost, in my opinion, guaranteed. It did exactly what I thought it was going to do. It chopped around for a couple, maybe a minute, and then watch what happens. It's going to do a perfect burst down to the magnet. It's not always about how much money you make. It's about how much money you're going to make because your analysis is getting so reliable. Magnet trades can be very reliable. There's the test. There's the profit.